Good morning, no.
How you dey do now?
As you see me, so you are dey happy.
Oga, you get driving license. I see say you be driver.
I get driving license at the drive.
You go driving school?
I go.
Okay. Oga, no say as you don't go driving school, so there are a lot of things when be say they teach you how they take the place motor for road and other things. So make I just ask you one small question. You see this road marking, you go see one mark when be say the thing. The white one, they broken, and the another one, they broken, just they straight. Wetin be the difference between these two lines?
The one where I know be say that one where they break, It means say bus stop or parking space there by the side, we go fit park. But that one where they straight, it means say no corner, just they go one way, no stop by.
You tell me say you go driving school. Oga, make I educate you. Okay. The one where they straight, it means say make you not dey overtake. The road not dey good. Or is either the road they bend or it they sloping or whatever. You not go to see the motor when they come from the opposite side. Why the one when they broken mix say you feel overtake? Oga, you really go driving school? Because
I go driving school, but not be everything. But since where this road to read program starts, me I don't learn plenty things. Pass the ones where they teach me for that driver school. Okay. You know, say if you come driving school, they teach you like VIP. You know, they come they give Oga them attention. Pass we will no get. You understand? But since I begin to follow this program, Road to Read, I don't learn plenty things where we say even people will teach me driving. No,